Alright, so here as you can see, price took out this short-term low and there is all this generated liquidity right here. You can see these consolidations and these LRLRs, which is you can see later attacked. Now after this short-term low is taken out, there's a market structure shift, a red on a short-term low. Then we see expansion higher. So now we can anticipate that this can be our intermediate term low and we can aim for this high right here. And as you can see, that is actually taken out. Have a look at this example right here. We are here at IRL right now and the order flow is bullish. So we are gonna look for bullish prices, right? So have a look at this chart right here on the low time frame. So this is weekly. We go into the 4-hour chart. Look at this LRLRs and these consolidations. Here's a amazing market maker buy model. There's this manipulation, a market structure shift, an intermediate term low formation, and then expansion higher. And there is another intermediate term low formed here as well. And you can see the target is met. Now have a look at this one right here, bearish order flow, right? There is a red on the short-term high. So order flow is bearish. There's a red on the short-term high. That means we are going to be looking for sells right here. So going into the low time frame, you can see that we have these two consolidations and generated liquidity in this retracement phase. And after that, the price manipulated and took this low. Now you can see that we don't see an IDH formed right here. Then it simply means that you won't get any entry here, right? So it's not that you will get entry every single time. I added this example to show you the reality that it won't be very perfect every single time. There can be price action like this where it won't give you a chance, but that doesn't mean that you are gonna FOMO in and literally lose your brain. So that is just part of the game. You just have to let it slip. Yeah. Now have a look at this one. We see bullish order flow, red on a short-term low right here. So what are we gonna expect? We are gonna expect higher prices now. So this is monthly chart going into the daily. We can see a market maker buy model right here. A lot of LRLRs, a market structure shift, and an intermediate term low formation, another one right here, and you can clearly see price went into the target.